Let's get some free money with Bank of America and show you how to use credit card offers like this to essentially get a 0% loan. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I like to talk about ways to make money on your phone, creating passive income sources, making good sound investments, and some helpful tips here and there. If you like that type of content, I'd appreciate it if you hit that like button, subscribed, and hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I make videos in the future. And of course, I am not a financial advisor or a professional on this topic, so do your own research before opening any of these accounts or anything else I talk about on my channel. The Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card is still one of my favorite entry-level credit cards. With the Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card, after your application is accepted, in the first 90 days, if you spend $1,000 or more, you get a $200 bonus. And on top of that, earn 3% on the category of your choice, which you can change every month. And then 2% cash back on grocery stores and wholesale clubs, and 1% cash back on everything else. Also, no annual fee with this card. And your rewards never expire. And now, the absolute best part about this credit card. For the first 12 billing cycles, you have 0% APR, as long as you're paying your minimum bill. So, it is like taking out a loan for 1 year for 0%. Now, after that, the interest rate does go up to 13.99%, all the way up to 23.99%. Now, the credit limit will vary from person to person as well. You can also take a cash advance with this card. Now, it is a $10 fee to take a cash advance, or 3% of the total transaction. When playing the credit card game, you have to be responsible. Do not open this card if you are going to charge up to the maximum amount of your credit limit and not be able to pay it back over that 12-month cycle. Then you're going to start getting hit with some pretty big interest payments, and nobody likes that. Now, some really cool ways to use this card. Think, if you were getting a free loan for 12 months, what would you do? Well, I'll tell you what I did when I opened this card. I bought a rental property, and I did as much of the rehab as I possibly could using this card. So not only did I buy an investment that ended up cash flowing, I took out a 0% loan in the process of doing it, and got that $200 bonus and 3% cash back. So you can benefit very much from these credit cards. You just need to be responsible. And as we are talking about debt, not all debt is bad. There is good debt and bad debt. If you're taking out this cash advance to buy toys like a bike or a boat, probably not the best use. Now, if you are taking out a cash advance or using this card to buy something that is going to cash flow and create passive income for you, well, now you are using these benefits to the fullest advantage. Good debt being debt that makes you money, bad debt being debt that costs you money. Pretty simple, right? So you can combine this with a Bank of America checking account and get a $100 bonus for opening up this checking account and making 2 direct deposits of $250 or more. And then link that checking account right over to your credit card and set up that credit card for minimum monthly automatic payments, and you could put that 12-month loan on autopilot, not even having to worry about missing your deadline and getting charged that high interest rate. I even have another trick for you coming up here soon. But let's get back to this checking account. Now, there is a $12 a month monthly fee. Well, let's talk about how to avoid that. You can either hold a monthly balance of $1,500 or more, or continue to make a $250 direct deposit every single month. Not worth getting a $100 bonus if you're going to pay $12 a month for monthly fees. So just think, between this credit card and checking account, you are getting $300 of bonuses plus that 3% cash back. Now, here is the really cool part about this. As you've seen on multiple other of my videos, if you follow my channel for any period of time, I am pretty well versed in the cryptocurrency space. There are many lending platforms and other ways to earn high yields on your dollar in alternative savings accounts. So for instance, you open this card and you have the money to do a rehab project, even if it is just on your house, put it all on this card and put that money in one of these alternative savings accounts like Outlet Finance, Celsius Network, or Voyager Brokerage, and earn anywhere between 6% all the way up to 12.5% APY on your dollar sitting in that account. I have plenty of other videos on my channel to show you how to do this, so check those out. So I did mention, when playing the credit card game, you need to be extremely responsible. So don't spend money you don't have or can't pay back. So by having the funds to do these projects, so if you have money sitting in your bank, just borrow it with this credit card instead and put that money in one of these alternative savings, making yourself interest on that while you're taking out essentially a 0% loan from Bank of America. Banks are not your friends, but you sure can take their money if they're going to give it to you. It's all about making your money work for you. So the more and more ways you can pull extra money for doing the things you're already going to do anyways, the better off you're going to be. These little things add up over time, and you really start to see a difference. Plus, you are just building yourself good money management habits and creative ways to earn extra money. So when you do start to build up more and more, you already know what to do with it. If this video helped you at all, then hit that like button, subscribe. Yeah, the little one down in the corner, you can click that right now. Yeah, you can actually click it and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button if you want to be notified when I make videos in the future. As lately, I have made many videos on cryptocurrency. This channel is making money overall. So many different ways to make money. There is just so many ways to make high yield in the cryptocurrency space right now. Therefore, putting a little bit more focus on that. But if one of these two options seems right for you, or both of them, then don't forget to give yourself a raise. I'll see you next time. A few videos popped up to your left and right. If one of those perked your interest, give it a click.